How much should pop-up drink stands spend on reusable equipment? A good rule of thumb is to spend around 15 to 20% of your total startup budget on reusable equipment like cups, pitchers, and dispensers, since this gear pays for itself within the first few months of operation. Think of it like buying a bicycle instead of paying for a bus ticket every single day. You pay more money one time, but then you stop paying for it over and over again. For a pop-up drink stand, that means stainless steel pitchers, insulated coolers, and hard plastic cups instead of paper or foam ones you throw away after one use. Something a lot of people do not realize is that many cities now charge extra fees or taxes on single-use cups and containers, so switching to reusable gear can actually lower your monthly costs beyond just the price of the cups themselves. Another hidden benefit is that reusable equipment often qualifies for small business tax deductions because it counts as equipment rather than a disposable supply. A smart way to set your budget is to take your first month of expected sales and set aside about 1/5 of that amount for durable gear built to last a full season. One thing you really need to watch out for is buying equipment that looks cheap but breaks after just a few weeks. So always check reviews and pick brands with a replacement guarantee before you spend a single dollar. Another important point is storage and cleaning, since reusable cups and pitchers need proper washing stations, and skipping this step can lead to health code violations that shut your stand down fast. So budget a little extra for a portable sink or sanitizing tubs. You should also watch how much space your reusable gear takes up, since a stand crowded with equipment can slow down service, so measure your cart or booth space before ordering anything. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.